Alright, so guys, we have received my package. Such a cute little packaging, not too heavy, not too light. I'm excited to see what's inside. So as I'm doing this, I'm trying to do it as delicately as possible, but I'm anxious to see what's inside. So I guess the wrapper has to go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the box. Open this end. Oh, that's a cute little touch. Oh, okay, I love this. It's adorable. Okay, I'm going in. Excuse my knife. It's excitement. Okay, let's see what I have right here. Oh, it's so cute. Nice. Thank you. Such a sweet touch. HummingBird. Thank you, HummingBird. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says before we see what's actually in there. Excuse my unwrapping. Just say I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, it says thank you. Oh, so this is what it actually says on the inside. Dear Paulina. Okay, I'm sure you can see it. We'll freeze it here. But this is so cute. Thank you, HummingBird. Emma. Thank you. So here's the first product. This looks good. Oh, I like the not edible. Thank you, Emma. We'll definitely not be eating that. All right. The next one. So excited. I like the cute little stickers on top. It's so adorable. Okay, this is so made in SA. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, this is a hefty little box right here. Alright, so this is handmade soap made by Emma. So the soap is made in South Africa, obviously. And oh, it's for problem skin. It's cucumber soap. And it's made with love. And here we have a Easter bunny. Okay, not Easter bunny, but of a cute little purple bunny. I love this. I love this. I'm looking forward to using that or keeping it as my Easter decoration. And right here we have handmade cosmetics. Okay, it's made by Emma, made with love. You can see the love, Emma. And then right now we have another bunny. Oh, is it a bunny or is it a mouse? I don't know, but it's adorable. And this one is more handmade soap. Oh, thank you, Emma. I love these products so much. I love them so much. Oh, so this is my overall order. Thank you, Emma. I can't wait to use those products, and hopefully my daughter loves them too. Thank you, Emma.